Number 12. Let's do the math. According to the diagram, what is the altitude of the plane round to the nearest foot? And show your work. To the nearest foot. No decimal this time. So we're trying to find the height. That's altitude in airplane language. So this is actually a 500 if you can't read it. That's 500 meters. This is 400 meters. Not necessarily drawn to scale. Let's figure out what this leg is on this right triangle. So that'd be 500 squared minus 400 squared is going to give us that missing one. That's called x in this one, so I'm going to call it x squared. There's an x right here. Alright, that'd be 25 and then 4 zeros. This would be 16 and 4 zeros. Equals x squared. Doing some subtraction there. 25 minus 16 is a 9. So it's going to be a 9 with 4 zeros. Is x squared? Let's take the square root. I know the square root of 9 is 3. So this is going to be 30. No, sorry, 300. So this will be 300 meters. Done.